everyone, this is DKM Luna. The increasingly competitive injection molding industry, every second is money and every second is competitiveness. Are you worried about shortening the production cycle? Behind me is DKM high-speed series 700 ton, equipped with mature electric pre-molding and 3-axis linkage technology. Help you to be twice as fast as others, your trump card to form your core competitiveness and to create more value for you. Now it's producing 20 liters bucket with in-mold labeling IML system. Material K8003 MFI 2.5. Mold made by Sino Mold. Molding cycle 19.5 seconds compared with over 40-second cycle of ordinary machine. Cycle reduced by at least 20 seconds, 50%, double the speed. To put it in a simpler way, it works 24 hours a day. The ordinary machine makes 2,100 pieces. DKM can make more than 4,300 pieces, twice capacity. Twice capacity means more than double the profit and benefits. Unit cost of water, electricity, and artificial reduced by half. The odds on other products increased. If you fill the order faster, customer satisfaction improving. Orders grow rapidly and there will be fewer and fewer competitors. Greatly reduces your marginal and opportunity costs.